Going under the water. So beautiful here. It's nature. So nice. Maghilay-hilay pa. Wow. Yes. This is dagat. You see what it is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Careful.
Why?
It's going to climb in the rocks, the stones in the batu-batu. I said careful. It's beautiful. You can see it here and there. Yeah, stream, it's a water, it's a sea. Wala, nituwad na. Tarzan. Oh, look at here. Finally. Say hi, Eric.
Hi.
Happy. Only in the Philippines. Eric is enjoying under the sun. Under the sun, init kaayo. He loves the init, the sun.